If we were in a wilderness survival situation, what would be like the 5 things that we would need to make sure we have with us?
Well,
The 5 C's of survival. Do you know what those are? All right, boys. Well, we're out here in the wilderness. It's cold. There's snow. The sun's about to set, so it's going to get colder real fast. I noticed like your pants are wet, so that would be a really dangerous situation at night if we were in the cold like this. If we were in a wilderness survival situation, what would be like the 5 things that we would need to make sure we have with us?
well,
The 5 C's of survival. Do you know what those are? What's one of them, Nathaniel? Combustion, right?
Yeah.
What is combustion?
fire, something that can keep you warm.
Yeah, a way to get warm. Maybe a way to dry out your clothes. Jonathan, what's another one of the 5 C's of survival?
Cover.
Cover. Yeah, we would need to have a way to have shelter, cover from cold tonight, right? So looking around us right here, where do you think would be a good spot to try and make a shelter cover? What do we have that we're sitting on right here?
This log right here would be a really good idea to put in.
Do you see where we have these 2 logs here where it kind of makes like a V? And right over there we could maybe like clear the snow out and make like a little shelter for us to huddle up in and stay warm?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I think we should go down a little more though, because there's a lot of snow over here,
Or we could go over. You
and
see
I
that
think it'd be
branch right
hard
there?
to build a fire.
So you're saying go further down the mountain?
Yeah.
So I think that would be a good idea. However, it's getting late, and if we were walking, right, if we were on foot, we couldn't get out of here fast enough. It was going to get dark. We talked about combustion, a way to start a fire, get warm, stay warm for the night, dry out our clothes. We've talked about cover, a way to have a shelter, right? Obviously, if we were just in sweatshirts and jeans, we'd have a really tough time. We probably wouldn't make it through the night. We'd probably die of hypothermia.
Yeah.
Okay, freeze to death. What's the next thing? So cover, combustion. What else do we
Nathan,
need?
you can.
What's one more thing?
Cordage.
Cordage. So cordage would help us do what?
Make shelters like so we can like shove things on, or we could like
Tie tarps.
yeah.
Yep. Okay. So after cordage, what's a tool that we would use to help us with
Cutting device.
a cutting device? What could a cutting device be? What kind of cutting
A
devices?
knife.
A
A
knife,
machete.
machete,
Axe.
an axe. What about a saw?
A saw would be good. to,
Yeah.
like,
Did you guys bring anything with you today that has like a cutting device, like a knife or a saw or anything?
I
What'd you
bring
guys
my
bring?
multi-tool.
I brought a
You both brought your multi-tools? Okay. So we covered combustion, cover, cordage,
tools.
cutting tool, right? And then what's the next one? We've got a bunch of snow around here, but we don't have any water, right?
Yeah.
So what
Container.
a container. If we had a container where we could put snow in it and melt it, we could have water, right?
We can boil it up.
We could boil it. If we had some food, like did you guys bring an MRE with you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
we brought
Yeah.
Some ramen also, so that
Some ramen, some hot
that's gonna
soup. Yeah, things like that. So if we had a way to boil water, we could make that, have some food. Well, boys, it's getting late in the afternoon. It's getting colder. The sun's setting. I think we better get to making a fire. What would be the next thing?
shelter.
A shelter? Probably kind of need to work on both of those things at the same time, right?
One of us can like work on.
Yeah.
We can put the shelter at, and then
Okay, let's have you boys get your multi-tools, and carefully, the big thing we're going to try and do is find dead sticks that are on the dead branches that are on the trees, because they'll be dry, and we can start a fire with those.
Pine needles.
If there's some dry pine needles, but if they're wet, we don't want those.
No.
Okay?
And
We'd be better off finding dead stuff in the trees if we look around us, some of the branches. So I see some dead branches hanging in the trees down here. You can reach them and pull them off. Okay? They'll snap really easy. Okay? The ones that are dead and dry. See, like this one right above your head here, Nathaniel?
Yeah.
Those would break off really easy. They would be super dry, and we'd be able to start a fire real fast. Okay? So you guys start working on that. I'm going to clear a spot for us to make a fire.
All right.
So until next time, keep practicing, keep prepping, and stay safe. American Thrivalist out.